All right, so we so rudely got cut off on that last one, but I just wanted to finish up number 9 with you and just show you a couple of things. So we did the sine of 75 over 28, we did the sine of b over 19, and we get our two possible answers of 41 and 139. So let's go double check to see what happens, okay? So when I do 41, I know that 75 plus 41 is going to be a number less than 180, so I have room for angle A, so that's going to work. 139, so 75 plus 139 is going to be a number that's greater than 180, so I don't have room for that angle, and so that is not going to work, okay? Let's go do number 10. All right, so I have angle A that is 114 degrees. What a horrible picture I just drew, but, you know, habit is what it is. Here's B, here's C. All right, AB is 34, BC is 12, and I need to find angle C, so I need to find this one. So let's go set up laws of sines, okay? So again, my picture way off, right? My picture is way off, and that's okay. Let's see what happens. Sine of 114 over 12 is going to equal the sine of C over 34. And so the sine of C, is going to give me what? So let's go type that into the calculator, to good old calculatore. So 34 times the sine of 114 divided by 12. This is going to give me a number that is 2.588-ish. I can stop because this is no solution. Remember, at the very, very top, right, a sine function always has a range between -1 and 1. Okay, you brain fart though, right? And you go ahead and do the inverse sine. You do the angle and you try to figure out what the angle is going to be when the sine is that. And your calculator is like, whoa, what's going on? So I'm going to tell it to go to the error. And it's going to tell me my error was when I put in my answer. So this does have, in fact, no solution. There is no triangle, okay? That is how that works. All right, let's do a couple more. The measure of angle B is 47. Okay, side AB is 33, side AC is 26, and I'm trying to find... actually, oh, look, it says find the angle A. So let's see what happens here. That's a little different, huh? All right, so let's see. So I'm going to go find angle C first. So I'm going to do the sine of 47 over 26 equal to the sine of C over 33. Do a little bit of cross multiplying. So the sine of C is going to give me... Get our handy dandy calculator. So I need to do 33 times the sine of 47 divided by 26. Remember, I'm writing all of my work out. Okay, I'm inverse sining this to get the angle, and I get 68.2. Or I'm going to get 111.8. So remember, if I subtract from 180. Okay, let's go double check to make sure that both of these work though. So if I did 47 plus 68.2, I'm going to get something less than 180. So yes, this works. 47 plus 111.8 is also going to give me something that is less than 180, so 150-ish. And so that one also works, but that's angle C, and this wants angle A. So I'm going to have to do another little bit of 180 minusing, okay? So 180 minus 47. Let's start with that. So I know that I have 133 degrees to give, okay? If one of my triangles or one of my angles is 68.2, if I take 133 and I subtract 68.2, angle A could be 64.8. Or angle A could be 21.2. Okay? And so sometimes you have to do this and then do another step. All right? Hopefully that will help. I'm going to go ahead and show you the answer to number 12 so that you can see it. You don't have to watch another 15-minute video. All right, so I went ahead and started number 12 for you. Number 12 wants you to find the measure of angle B, but when you get everything set up, you end up doing laws of sines with sine or using angle A, okay, because the 17 is across from the A. And so as I go and set everything up, I end up with the sine of A equal to a 2, and remember, that can't happen, and so this is not going to be a triangle or no solution. Okay? Hopefully that helps, and happy laws of sines.